That's good. All right. Oh, he's gonna. Oh, so close yet so far away.
Evan,
What?
I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
Alright, I get closer to go. Okay.
Just go by that tractor thing, the lawnmower. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. So close. And that's all for today. Bye.